Here is the bedroom air filter. This is a Honeywell filter, and the model number is 50100. And I got this a couple years ago. It's pretty old. I believe it's from the very late 90s, early 2000s, somewhere in that range. And I just got it out again for the winter because I'm done having the windows open, so now it's time to be using the filters again. I gotta clean the filter. It's getting a little bit dusty, not too bad. And the top is kind of dusty, which is ironic. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in. I don't know if it's going to start. I think the bearings could be locked up because geez, the plug is all covered in junk. Towards the end of last year it was having some problems, and I'm not sure if the bearings are going to be locked or not. They could be. Let's see. Is it moving? It is moving, but the bearings is pretty stiff. Okay, it's coming up to speed now. Medium works fine. It's got enough power to overcome the friction, and high is running just fine as well. Once it warms up, it'll probably run on low without a problem. I do want to take it apart at some point though. I kind of want to replace the motor too, because most likely unrelated to the lubrication issues, I recall last year the motor would start to produce a very agitating, kind of like a whine sound. It was very subtle, but it was at a very annoying frequency. And I was never able to really determine if it was happening after it's been running for a while or after it was cold. Some days it would do it, some days it wouldn't. And that's very agitating to me, that sound it was making. I don't hear it right now. It sounds quiet right now, but sometimes it does it. I don't know if the motor is just getting tired or if something is coming loose and needs to be just stripped down and reassembled. I don't know, but it's looking good for now, and if we have to do a service on this, then we'll take a look at the motor then.